Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your Denver SDQ-52001G, let's go for the settings, for the Google Chrome, of course. We have to download something. I think we can take the picture of maybe of the Justin Timberlake. Pick your photo that you want to take. Click, hold, tap on the download. Right now, let's go back to the home screen. And we are going to find our picture that we take. So it will probably in the files. Click continue, allow, and right now just tap on the downloads. And as you can see right here, we got everything that we take from the internet on our Denver. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.